It's a small version of the ones they use in India. And it just, you just let the fish come sit on the net, and then you pick it up. They've moved that one a few times since I've been here, at least 3 times, but not the other one. Let's see what's in that one. Got dip nets and buckets, and this one's a bit bigger, I do believe. Up she comes. Oh, there's a weight in the middle. That's a very simple design. Something in there. It's not very big, but this is Thailand. Don't have to be very big. You know, these little fish are very popular, so we got all kinds of them. He's got a basket full. Oh, that's very cool. Maybe it's shrimp, I don't know. Oh, tiny little fish, look at that. You see them? How cool is that? How simple is that? Oh, it's got all kinds, look at that. Wow, what are some tiny? I don't know what kind of fish that is. Getting them a dozen at a time. It's gonna take a while.